Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a butterfly. I'm just going to change that to fixed. We can right click on the shape, put edit points. I'm going to add 2 points here because it'll make it a little bit easier to make the curve. And I'm just going to smooth them out. Add an extra couple of points. Make those smooth as well. Add an extra point in between here. I'm going to turn it around and make it smaller. Now I'm going to take another shape, just a rectangle with rounded corners, and then I can adjust it. So the next step, I'm going to give it a little bit of a gradient. Shape fill, gradient. Then I'm going to take out the outline. So now I'm going to change the edges. Let's just say that for now. I'm going to change the edit points. Add a point. Bring this in. And delete that point. I'm going to make a copy of this. So now we add it to the wing. Copy. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Sometimes you have to delete a point. Select objects, then group them. Okay, so that's the bottom of the wing. Now I've already done the second piece, which is here. There's an extra few pieces I have to add. Move it here. This is going to go over. This one will be over top. Bring this part lower, like that. Let's see, shape gradient. I'm going to just take this piece, copy it, a little bit bigger, put it here, Copy. Shape fill, yellow, shape outline, no outline. I'm gonna move this here. I'm gonna go copy, paste, and go shape. Let's say 0.18. Now I just move them all over here any old way. And I'm just gonna change 2.17 just to give it some different size. So now we group this. Copy it, paste. And actually the easiest way to do this is to look at the dimensions, 8.4 by 9.87. So 8.4 by 9.87. According to the picture. And I'm just going to take out the outline. I'm going to copy this. And rotate this. Insert. Like that. I'm going to copy this little dot here. Copy. Paste. Paste. So I'm going to 2, 3, 4. So one goes over here. Copy this point. I'm going to have to rotate it. Should be 0.18. 0.18 and 0.35. Okay, and that's it. So now we select objects, shape format, group. Okay, everything should be moving. Thanks for watching.